Hello friends, it's my 90-gallon cichlid tank. I have 27 cichlid fishes total. As these Oscars are grow up, or maybe after next 2 or 3 months, they will become 8 inch in size. Then it's difficult for me to keep these small cichlids in the same tank. And I want to sell these small cichlids so that I can remove this partition, and this 90-gallon full tank will be for the Oscar and this parrotfish and this yellow and this big one which can live with these Oscars. So to sell these, I have to transport them to the market, and market from my home is near about 200 kilometer away. It means I have to do something to transport these fishes. For that I am doing some preparation. Here I will take this bucket. I will full half water in this so that water will not fall out. Then I need air pump. Here this is 12 volt DC air pump I made in my home. I will paste its video link in description. Anyone can see and make. I will use this lighter place in my car, and at this end I connect this DC connector, and this side plus and minus 12 volt supply, and then I will connect a pipe and this air stone. Before I plan to take this bucket, but this second one I find this one is little bit height, so I will prefer this one, because if this is height and I will fill till here, then there is very less chance to water come out, because in car it will move like this little bit as I don't have its cover. Small one I will take out. Let's see which one I will pick. And one leaf from here, this one I will also take for hiding place, because maybe they will do fight in this bucket. I catch all fishes which I have to take out here in this bucket. If I remove this leaf, then I can see these are total 11 fishes I have put it here. I have connected adapter 12 volt, and with this adapter I connect this air pump, this one, and connect 2 air lines in this basket, because I am waiting for my friend. He will come, then I will go. Now I have put this bucket in my car and travel start. It's 1 PM, almost 2 hours it will take to reach fish market. It means 3 PM I will reach there. So here I have connected this air pump with this lateral place, this connector, and connect here, and air bubbles are started. I have put this temperature sensor. It's 27.9 degree water temperature, because it's May 2023. Ambient temperature is not too high because summer is going to start. But if it's winter, then I have to arrange one 10 watt or 15 watt heater to put in this bucket. For that maybe I need some UPS or some arrangement I have to do. But now ambient temperature is normal, so I don't need anything. Little bit hot, so this car AC will work and it will make normal. I hope everything will be okay. Only little confusion because I have added 11 fishes. Almost all fishes are 4 inch or 5 inch size. So ammonia level can be increased in this water. I have not added any chemical or anything because I don't have anything. Let's see after 2 hours what will be the condition. I keep it open so that if some gases exchange, then that will go out. Also open the window from this side and also from this side. Otherwise it will be difficult for me to sit here. Better if I can arrange a bucket with the cover. I was trying to put this plastic sheet, but I did not put this because I know water will not stop. That's why I keep the water level down. Now it's very safe, but still I have to drive the car very carefully. If car will do more movement, then water can come out. At last I reached fish market. Here very cloudy weather, that's why my bucket temperature is 24.9. Before it was 28. This is Rawalpindi city and I live in Mianwali city. Mianwali is 250 km away from this Rawalpindi city. So it took almost 3 hours to reach here. I start adding fishes in this bucket at 12 p.m. and now it's 4 p.m. and thanks God everything is okay. This 12 volt DC pump worked best. I was thinking that maybe any issue, but thanks God everything okay. Only this water level is little bit reduced due to the evaporation. I filled 65% bucket in my home. This water I have taken from tank. I did not add tap water, maybe that is little bit different, chlorine or anything that can be dangerous. So I added tank water because the fishes are used to with that one. Only now 5% reduced. Now it's 60% remaining, 40% empty, before 35% empty. No issue. Hope this video will help someone. Still, if I did something wrong, then please tell me in comments so that I can make it correct. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.